Hey crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on quickly today to do a small Tuesday morning haul. I found a few dies and I thought I would come on and share with you what I picked up, so I'm going to jump right on in. All right, first I did pick up one of these, they're like, what are these called? Metal bobby pins, and they have words on them. And I have picked this up before, but I saw it and I thought it was so cute that I wanted to get it again. So it says happy, cool, sweet, and then hello. So really, really cute, and it was only $1.99. I did find this Bow Bunny craft die set, and it's summer themed. It has the popsicles, watermelon, a super cute cloud, ants, a soda bottle, and it looks like a picnic basket. And this is what it looks like on the back, die cut out. Super cute. So I can't wait to try to die cut out some of these in some foil. I think that would be really pretty. And it was $5.99. I did pick up another one because I'm doing a summer swap with a friend, so I picked up one for her. And then I picked up these cards, and they're AC cardstock, and it was only $2.49. And I love getting this glitter gold when I see it, because I like die cutting with this. It's just this particular gold. It's so pretty. And I don't think Michael's or Hobby Lobby has this particular shade of gold, so I get it for that reason. And then obviously you can use it as a card base, but I like to use it just for die cutting. So really, really good price, and it's only $2.49. I did pick up some alpha chips in gold, $1.49. I picked up the sticker set, and I've picked this up before in Hobby Lobby, but it was a great price. It's $1.69, so I'll probably be gifting this. And then I also picked up this die right here, and it's another Bow Bunny, and it's a layered, like a lacy stitched square die, and it has the word love. And this is the back. That's what it looks like cut out. So really, really cute. All right, so that is my quick Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.